Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Sorium and I make lifestyle videos, cleaning videos, motivational videos, all kinds of videos. So if you like these and you have been enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free and it helps me out. So today's video is about my closet. So I'm going to be showing you guys my closet tour. This is something that I've been working on for a few months because I've been trying to get rid of stuff that I don't use and organize it in a way that's easy for me to find things. And I think I finally have a system down. So I wanted to share with you guys my closet tour. So this is not my drawers. So right now I'm in my bedroom and I have that big dresser there full of my clothes. So that's like socks and underwear and bras and pajamas and t-shirts and like pants and sweatpants, but like basically just house clothes. So that's what's in these drawers. So what I'm going to be showing you is my closet. So behind here, this door here is my husband's closet. It's a small closet, and so he has his stuff in there, and my stuff is in the closet of another room. So I'm going to go over there and I'm going to show you guys how it's organized, how I like put everything, because it's kind of like a weird big room inside of another room. So I'm gonna show you guys how it all is and all my clothes and what I have and what I've been using and how I like to organize it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right into it. So this is the view of like the closet door. I am currently in the spare bedroom that is also an office, and it's a little bit of a mess, so I'm not going to show you guys that. But this is what has been my closet since we moved into the house 3 years ago this summer. So I bought these closet like wardrobe things. I bought that shelf and that rack over there my mom gave to me because she had it. So I am going to go through everything. The floor is, I think, hardwood. It's the original hardwood of the house, so I love that. So this is just a random big room in this, like, it's a closet, but it's in another room. It's weird. It's a big space and it has a heater back there and a window. So I'm gonna go through and show you guys everything, and yeah, so let's get into it. So this unit here, I got it on Amazon, and it has shelves over there all the way down, and then it has the rack for actual clothes. And in that box up there, that paper box, I just have my old maternity clothes. I didn't buy a ton of clothes because I didn't really gain a lot of weight, like an exaggerated amount of weight. I never gained any, so I only bought a few tops and a few pants, and it like was fine throughout my whole pregnancy. So I have that up there in case, you know, for my next pregnancy or whatever. But over here, these are all tops. So I have no pants hanging up. There is another, see if you can see it here. There's another railing here. And I used to have pants there, but I never wore those pants, so I got rid of that. So now it's nice and open underneath there. So I'm gonna start here. So I have, and these are all like my dressy tops that actually need to be hung up. So I have like spaghetti strap tops, and then like thicker strapped tops, and then I have short sleeve shirts, and then a couple of long sleeve shirts in here, and then from here over are all my cardigans. I love cardigans. They're my favorite thing. You could put it over anything and it just kind of dresses up any outfit. So I worked in an office setting for about 7.5 years, so I have a lot of cardigans. So they start here, and I've been accumulating them for years. So I actually got rid of a bunch recently, so this is like what I kept. But we have like cardigans and then thicker cardigans here. So these are open cardigans that are a little bit longer. As you can see, they kind of go down to here, and these regular ones go up to here. So those are my tops and how I have them organized. So then over here, I just have my iron. I'm going to move that somewhere else. But up here, I have shorts back there. So that giant stack is all shorts. And so I don't put things away like in boxes for winter and summer. So right now it's the winter. But I just keep them out because I don't have a ton of clothes. So it fits perfectly back there and I don't need to put it away. So up here in the front are jeans. So These are like holey jeans. All of these are kind of like holier jeans, and it's so cold now that I don't want to wear holey jeans, so I have these up here, and I don't really use these as much. So then the next shelf here, I have dress pants. So these are like dressier pants. I have like this really pretty one here, pinstripes, and then black ones, white ones, like brown. And then I have other like colored pants here. So I have green ones and blue ones and some khakis down there. And then in the front, these are the jeans that I actually wear all the time. So black jeans and then my dark jeans. And then there's a bunch of stuff in the wash too, so it's kind of empty. But here, another pair of jeans that I like to wear. This sweater doesn't go there. So, as I love cardigans, I also love sweaters. So this next shelf down here is just sweaters, and I don't like to hang them up because they get those little weird like things on the shoulder from the hangers, so I don't like to hang them up. So I just fold them up and put them here. So I have like four piles of sweaters. So here's 2 in the front and then 2 in the back there. So I also have here a little tiny small ironing board, and it's great because I just hang it up there and it fits perfectly. So on this bottom shelf here, I have a basket full of little like tiny bags, like purses and stuff. So this is like a little coin purse. This is another little kind of like wristlet. So I have wristlets, and I have these over the shoulder like crossbody bags. So I have this one here. This is one of my favorites. I got it a bunch of years ago from the Coach. And these are almost all Coach. I love this one. It's for winter. This is a little bag. And then I have the big crossbody of that one. And then I have that cute Guess bag that I got on a cruise. And it's really fancy, and it has like a chain strap, and I love that one. So I use that one on special occasions. But these are my smaller bags and like my little wristlets and stuff. And then over here I have my bigger bags. So this is a huge, this is actually a diaper bag from Coach that I got many years ago, before I even imagined having a baby. So I had that, and I used to use it as a bag, and I still use it as a bag. And then I have another Coach bag. See, these are all Coach actually. I love this one for summer. I love that one. That one's from last year. This is just the big canvas tote, and I love the I think they're poppy flowers. I don't know, the pretty flowers on it. And then I have the same tote in white. I used it in this white side last summer, but the summer before that I used it with the Coach logo, like the tan out. So I love that. And then back there I have another Coach bag. So this one's a little bit more floppy, and it's just the classic Coach logo and like a burgundy leather detailing. So this is a little bit more floppy, so I leave it there. And then under here I have backpacks. So that's a blue one, a cute little flower one. This is like a big beach bag, and then those are smaller kind of cloth bags. So this is a crossbody bag. This my mom brought back from Puerto Rico. I have a ton of like canvas bags, like actual canvas, and like crossbody bags back there. So that is all of my bags and wallets. So over on this side I have on this railing dresses and jackets. So my mom had this railing a while like before I got it, but she doesn't use it anymore, so she gave it to me. So I have dresses with straps, and then strapless dresses, and then dresses with little straps, and then dressy dresses and more dresses. So I have a lot of dresses. I got a bunch of these like solid color ones from New York & Company this past summer. They had a lot. Like this one I didn't even use. It still has the tags on it, but it is really pretty. Can't wait to use that this summer. And then dresses with like sleeves, short sleeves on them, and some of them are long. So these right here in the front are long, and these are short, and then these kind of go medium length. And then in the back I have some jackets. So This is a regular hoodie. This is like a really pretty black corduroy. You can't really see the texture, but really nice dressy jacket. And then I have this green leather jacket, pleather by the way. So another green jacket, and then this white pleather jacket as well. So that is what I have on this rack here. And let me step back so you can actually see it. So that's what that looks like on this side of the closet. And I have a mirror here. This is just a cheap mirror from Walmart. It was probably like $5. But it's great to have in here for when I need it. So then I'm going to go into the shoes. So this rack, this shoe holder thing, I got on Amazon. And if I could find the links to these, I will put them in the description below. But I love this because you can keep adding to it. So I got, I think it was 2 sets of these, and then I just put it all together to make one tall one. So before I get into the shoes, back here I have a basket full of like winter things. So I have scarves and hats and some gloves. So I just have that basket in here. And under that is a box of boots that I have not ever worn. And then I have a pair of tall boots here. They're flat boots. I have my short Uggs, my medium Uggs, and then these like snow shoes. So over here in this basket, I have just sandals and flip-flops. So up at the top here, I have booties. So some black booties. These are really old from, pretty sure those are from Shoe Dazzle. These are, so I have some tan ones, some brown. So I like to color coordinate and like by style. So all my booties are up here by color. So then more black ones, and then a pair of blue ones, some like sparkly heels, and then more black ones. So these here are my oldest pair of shoes, and I got them in Puerto Rico when I was, I think I was 12. So I've had these shoes for a long time because I am 27 now. So then I have some opened like wedges, open toe wedges, and then some nude like summer shoes, really cute. And then over here I have some silver sparkly shoes, some closed toe gray, so I kind of put the gray and the silver together, some gold shoes, more nude, and these are more dressy. And then here we're going to start with the colorful shoes. So back there I have really awesome shoes. Those are from Shoe Dazzle. I love these. These are one of my favorite shoes. So these are one of my favorite shoes. I love them so much. They're so beautiful. And then I have more orangey ones. I love orange shoes. And then I have a rainbow pair. I have these are another pair. These are Steve Madden's. But these are gorgeous. Let me show you this side. I love them. And then I put these yellow ones over here. These are like the PVC plastic ones here in the front. And then they have a strap that goes up your leg. Down here, I have some burgundy ones, some dark blue, my wedding shoes. These are the ones that I wore for my wedding. And then some like wedges, more wedges here. And then on this one, these are my last pair of wedges. These are brown. And then I have some sandals and flats. All these are my flats. And then I have sneakers at the bottom. So I'm missing a pair of Vans. My black Vans are downstairs. So I don't have all my shoes up here. But I have, these are here Vans. Those are Guess. Those are Nikes. And then some Chucks down there. Some known brand. I think these are Steve Madden slip-ons. Yes, I love these. These are so nice. Some Toms, and then some Sperry's down there. And then underneath, I was able to fit my like house moccasins or my like slippers. So I have a pair of slippers there, and then just some house moccasins. So that's that. So that is my closet tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and how I have everything organized. I have been collecting shoes for years and years and years, since I was about like 12, 13 years old. So I have a lot of shoes, as you can see, but I love them. And I actually got rid of a bunch of shoes like a couple of months ago. It's definitely a lot less than what it used to be. So if you did like this closet tour, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I am posting videos twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays, and I hope you come back for more. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.